I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. I wanted the fame but not the cover on newspeak. Oh well, yes beggars can be choosy. Wanted to receive attention for my music, wanted to be left alone, people excuse me. Wanted my cake and eat it too, wanted it both ways. Fame made me a balloon, cause my ego inflated when I blew it. But it's confusing, cause all I wanted to do is be the Bruce Lee of loose sleep abusing. Use it as a tool when I boost him. Hit the lottery, ooh wee, what I gave to you was beautiful. It was like winning a huge meal. I run cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. One ship, two ship, going cuckoo and cookie as cool kids. But I'm actually better than you think, cause I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's nothing. Well, that's nothing. Now I ain't much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it. Cause you never know when it all could be about tomorrow, so I keep conjuring. Sometimes I wonder where these thoughts come from. Yeah, ponder it, do you want this? No wonder you're losing your mind the way you wander. You're like, I think you've been wandering off down yonder, stumbled on the jet and wandering. Cause I need an interventionist to intervene between me and this monster. Save me from myself and all this conflict. Cause the very thing that I love's killing me and I can't conquer it. My OCD's conking me in the head, keep knocking, nobody's home. I'm sleepwalking, I'm just relaying what the voice of my head said. To shoot the messenger. I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the